Welcome to class, guys. The first thing we're going to do is to log into Canva Pro, then put in your prompt and start creating videos. So to log in, I don't have the mobile version. So because of space, so I use the web version. So go to Chrome, then search for Canva. So once you log into Canva, then go to this is landing page where you give you template to create anything you want. So but what I need here is Canva AI. So go to more, click on more by the right side here, then you see Canva AI, click on it. Here you see this box here, you say describe your idea. So what you want to create, put in your prompt here to create your ideas. Scroll down from the left to the right, then you see video clip, click on it. Then here you see style, click on this place, you see style, then choose the style you want. For this video I choose cinematic, and scroll down to the right again, choose the ratio you want to use. Then here by default you say no audio, so click on the drop down arrow to choose add audio. Then coming down to the right, I click there to see the framing you want, how close or how far to be inside the video. So we choose medium shot. Then coming here to lightning, I choose soft lightning. So after everything has been set, then click on describe your idea, then type your prompt straight. So try to keep it short and concise, because if you give AI much prompt, the more it will make mistake. So the one I have here is very short one. I already have set my video the way I want it to appear. So click on this. Then you can also record your voice here. I don't want to record my voice. This mic icon is for you to record your voice. So once you put in your prompt just like this, click on this arrow facing right, then wait for it. Say create a video featuring an RTC ad. So you read the write up and wait for it. And coming down here you see stop generating. So maybe if you make mistake or you discover something you're supposed to add, you can come here, stop and edit it, then continue. But in this case there's no mistake here, so wait until the video is generated. All right, the video is ready, so let's play and see how it is. Seems the audio did not come out here, so this one can be handled during editing. You can add audio to it.